In the lesson plan number 5, the theme that I choose is amazing, called Amazing People. This is for second level of bachelor. It has a duration of 30 minutes in level intermedia and designed by Daniela Villagomez. The objective of the class is through this lesson, students were able to improve their reading comprehension, reason about the extraordinary people and how they influence them, how they feel influenced by them, develop their personal motivation, identify how write a biography. In the methods, audiolingual method and total physical response, and solo strategies, solo group, pair activity, and group activity. And the anticipatory set, in a group activity, I will show the students different pictures of flashcards for some famous and interesting people. Well, for do this, the beginning it take a little time, but I try that to be very fast. For they make these little groups. Then I ask them the name, profession, age, nationality, and other things. The students can discuss about their answers and they will be free to prepare it neatly. In the main teaching input, in order to prepare to students, I will draw their attention through an activity where they're going to expose some abilities or special preference for something. For example, I will choose a student distinctly and he going to expose if he likes sports, art, music, science, etc. After that, I will give them a worksheet where they're going to write a little biography about themselves with the information about their full name, if they have a nickname, their age, where they live, which activities like to do, and other things that they consider in their own biography. Then they will exchange these worksheets between them, and I will ask for their partner information. In this activity, I will improve the class relationship because the students take an organized time to know each other better. And learning English and how to and other things from another people and other cultures and other things. For the guided practice, the students will listen an audio script where they're going to look and read about amazing people on page 4 5 of their books. After that, they will answer questions about the previous activity. In this section, we're going to work with in their own books. And with this, they have this for them they can study or review the textbook for the activities that we practice. In the independent practice, I will send a homework in which students have to write a little biography about two amazing people that I consider a successful person. Not necessarily the students need to talk about or write about a famous person. They can write about a family member or one person, a friend, or one person that they really feel this admiration. In the assessment, I will evaluate them through a writing about what it means to be an amazing people, what they consider for be amazing person. The students just need to write around 50 words in a piece of paper. In this activity, they will improve their imagination, their vocabulary, some grammar, and show how to learn about these biographies and which are the characteristics that need to be in this kind of writings. In the closing review and follow-up, I will reproduce a motivating video about how to make advantages the time the unproductive things in order to be successful. Talking about these amazing people, the persons that the students choose or see is because they feel some motivation for these persons. So it's important that the students have these kind of attitudes for be better, or why they would like to be like these persons, or not just be like them, but they have this motivation for growth, to see that all they can do and be that they want, but always thinking and recognizing that although they can do all that they want, but if they make an effort. Um, for the material for this lesson, I mentioned this on these flashcards with people that I consider that almost everybody know, so they can recognize or maybe know just the name or something, or maybe have produce of them this curiosity, and they will search about this person, these people, and the worksheet where they going to write their own biography in order to improve, like as I mentioned, their vocabulary, their grammar, and their abilities to write and recognize, choose the exact information for this kind of writing. The video, that the link is just right on my lesson plan, a link from this video, and that's all for my lesson plan number 5.